McLaren, the very name is synonymous with the pursuit of excellence, a brand that has become a symbol of innovation and performance in the automotive world. The name conjures images of Formula One legends roaring down the world's most famous circuits and cutting-edge supercars that turn heads wherever they go. But McLaren is more than just a racing powerhouse or a maker of beautiful machines. For decades, this British brand has pushed the limits of automotive engineering, crafting not just fast cars, but technological masterpieces that blend art and science. Every McLaren is a testament to relentless innovation where passion meets precision. What truly sets McLaren apart isn't just raw speed or striking design, it's their obsession with creating a seamless connection between driver, car and road. Every journey in a McLaren is meant to be an experience, not just a drive. Every detail, from the carbon fiber monocoque that forms the car's core to the thunderous twin-turbo V8 engine, is engineered for pure engagement. These aren't just components. They're the result of years of research, testing, and a refusal to compromise. This relentless pursuit of innovation led to one of their greatest secrets, ProActive Chassis Control, or PCC. It's a system born from racing, refined for the road, and designed to give drivers an edge like no other. PCC is the invisible force that keeps a McLaren composed. Whether you're gliding through city streets or pushing the limits on a racetrack, it's the difference between simply driving and truly commanding the road. To understand McLaren's genius, you have to understand PCC, a system that redefines how a car handles, responding instantly to every input and every change in the road beneath you. Let's dive into why controlling body movement is so critical for performance and safety, how traditional suspension methods fell short, and how McLaren's PCC changed everything by rewriting the rules of what's possible. This is more than suspension. It's a revolution in both performance and comfort, setting a new benchmark for the entire automotive industry. Every car faces the same challenge, balancing comfort and control. Soft suspension absorbs bumps for comfort but sacrifices handling. Stiff suspension delivers sharp handling but makes the ride harsh. For decades, engineers had to compromise, never perfect for both. Sports cars were too stiff for daily use. Luxury cars too soft for spirited driving. McLaren asked, what if you didn't have to choose? Imagine a car that glides over bumps like a luxury sedan, yet corners flat like a race car. That's the problem PCC was built to solve. For nearly a century, anti-roll bars were the go-to solution for handling and comfort. These U-shaped metal bars connect left and right suspension, resisting body roll in corners, but they're passive and fixed. Great for handling, terrible for comfort. Hit a bump with one wheel and the anti-roll bar transfers the shock across the car, making the ride harsh. The compromise, better handling, means a rougher ride, and vice versa. Adaptive dampers and active anti-roll bars tried to help, but they're still reactive, heavy, and based on old ideas. McLaren saw this as a barrier, not a rule. Their solution: eliminate the anti-roll bar entirely. Enter ProActive Chassis Control. McLaren's radical move was to replace mechanical anti-roll bars with a fully active hydraulic system, ProActive Chassis Control. First launched in the MP412C, PCC decouples ride comfort from handling. Each wheel acts independently, so a bump on one side doesn't disturb the other. The result: supercar performance with luxury-level comfort. Instead of reacting to body roll, PCC predicts it. Using sensors, hydraulics, and a central computer, it creates a virtual anti-roll bar that's instantly adjustable. The car stays flat in corners, yet glides over rough roads. No compromise. PCC's magic comes from three parts: sensors, a computer, and hydraulics. Sensors track wheel movement, steering, speed, and more, hundreds of times per second. The computer analyzes this data, predicting what the car will do next. It sends commands to hydraulic dampers at each corner, adjusting stiffness in milliseconds. In turn, it stiffens the outside dampers and softens the inside, keeping the car level. Each wheel is controlled independently, so the system can instantly adapt to any situation. The process is so fast, it feels seamless to the driver. The result: unmatched agility and comfort all at once. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, navigating a city street riddled with bumps and potholes, something every driver dreads. The road is uneven, unpredictable, and you brace for the jolt as your car approaches a rough patch. In most cars, hitting a pothole means the shock travels through the entire chassis, shaking everyone inside. But with McLaren's ProActive chassis control, only the wheel that actually hits the pothole absorbs the impact. In a typical sports car, the anti-roll bar links both sides, so a bump on one side unsettles the whole cabin, making the ride harsh and uncomfortable for everyone. But in a McLaren equipped with PCC, the system isolates the disturbance. The rest of the car remains composed, gliding over the road as if nothing happened, keeping you and your passengers relaxed. Now picture yourself taking a sharp corner at speed. In most cars, you'd feel the body roll as the car leans, then eventually settles. That lean can sap your confidence, making you hesitate before pushing harder. With PCC, the system anticipates your steering input, instantly stiffening the right dampers. The car stays remarkably flat, almost defying physics, so you can attack corners with total trust. There's no lag, no waiting for the car to catch up, just immediate, razor-sharp response to every move you make. The result is a driving experience that inspires confidence, delivers incredible grip, and forges a connection between you, the car, and the road that's truly addictive. PCC transforms your McLaren from a comfortable city cruiser to a razor-sharp track weapon in an instant, adapting seamlessly to whatever you demand. No matter if you're gliding over city streets, carving through mountain passes, or pushing hard on a racetrack, PCC adapts instantly, delivering comfort, control, and performance in every situation. While most automakers simply refine and adjust existing suspension systems, McLaren took a bold leap and started from scratch, reimagining what a supercar could be from the ground up. By eliminating traditional mechanical anti-roll bars, McLaren engineers removed a major source of compromise, unlocking new levels of performance and comfort that were previously thought impossible. The result is a car that glides effortlessly through daily traffic, soaking up bumps and imperfections, yet transforms instantly into a precision instrument on the racetrack, delivering razor-sharp handling and feedback. This revolutionary system, known as ProActive chassis control, has its roots in advanced Formula One technology so effective it was once banned from the sport, but now it's been refined and adapted for the road. In comfort mode, the system cleverly decouples the wheels, allowing each to move independently for an exceptionally smooth and quiet ride, making even the roughest city streets feel refined. But when the road gets twisty, or you push the car to its limits in a corner, the system instantly stiffens the chassis, providing the control and confidence needed for high-speed driving. ProActive chassis control isn't just a feature, it's the beating heart of every modern McLaren, shaping the character and capability of each car in the lineup. By daring to break the rules and challenge convention, McLaren has created supercars that are not only thrillingly extreme on the track, but also genuinely usable and comfortable in everyday life. This unique approach gives McLaren a distinct advantage, setting a new benchmark for the entire industry and redefining what's possible in high-performance automotive engineering. Ultimately, McLaren proves that true innovation is born from questioning the status quo and daring to imagine a better way, pushing boundaries to deliver a driving experience unlike any other.